Is Zepto a company without food delivery routes about to outsmart Zomato's Blinkit and Swiggy's Instamart? Is Zepto's urban first model the reason for its high growth in the quick commerce? What's driving Motilal Oswal, Ramdev Agrawal and Hero Corp to invest in Zepto, which is an unlisted company, and have plans to come out with the IP? Stay tuned because we are unpacking why the big money is chasing Zepto, which is in direct competition with Blinkit and Instamart. Hello and welcome to Stock Stories and Skills. Let's start the Zepto story with the quick commerce industry size and the big trends in the industry. So if you look at the 2024, India's quick commerce industry is valued around 3.34 billion. And if you see the projection, for the near-term growth, the very next year is 5 to 5.38 billion dollar. Now, if you come to 2029, in the next 4 years, is going to be 10 billion, US dollar. So the way the quick commerce industry is growing, there are huge opportunity for the players. And as we all know, there are three big players there, Zepto, Blinkit and Instamart. Let's study the big trends in the quick commerce industry. Now, quick commerce is no longer limited to just daily grocery. Quick commerce players आजकल electronics, beauty products, home essential and even premium products like iPhone deliver कर रहे हैं, all within 10 to 15 minutes. Now this shift is aimed at increasing the basket size and tapping into higher margin products. So आपने देखा होगा कि groceries से कैसे ये players अब high margin products में entry कर रहे हैं. With Zepto eyeing a public listing and established players backed by listed giants, Zomato, Swiggy, there is an intensifying funding race. Deep-pocketed investors are fueling discount-led growth, expansion into new cities, and customer acquisitions battles, and making profitability a long game. And who will win this game remains to be seen. Now, this is a chart of market share of top three players. If you look at Blinkit, they have got 46% market share. I mean, they're the biggest player in quick commerce. Now, Swiggy, they have got Instamart, they have got 26%, and this is Zepto, with 29% market share. And Zepto is the emerging player in the quick commerce industry. And as you can see, they are already number 2. And this market share is based on gross order value. So let's understand what is gross order value. Now, gross order value refers to the total value of all customer orders placed on the platform. Now, this is before discounts and or cancellations. So it represents the monetary scale of transactions handled, making it a strong proxy for market activity. Now, this is an important chart on Zepto's business model, और ये बहुत जरूरी है समझना, because तभी हमें समझ में आएगा कि whether Zepto can give a competition to Blinkit and Swiggy's Instamart. So let's understand from the 2021, because number one, Zepto is a very new company. It's a very new startup, so it's not very, it's not 5-10 year old. So 2021, the grocery pivot. Now, initial plan, Zepto started as a broader e-commerce experiment by its founder. So initially, जब Zepto start हुआ तो वो पूरा e-commerce industry में focus कर रहा था. ऐसा नहीं था कि वो quick commerce में आएगा और gadgets वगैरह भी देगा. Now, the early pivot happened into 2021. Now, this after noticing high repeat demand, for groceries during the pandemic. So, they narrowed focus to essential daily items. So, they started as a e-commerce kind of a model, लेकिन यहाँ पर उन्होंने grocery में ज़्यादा focus करने लग गया post COVID पे. Then comes 2022, the 10 minutes delivery, differentiator. सारा competition यहाँ 2020 से start हुआ है. So key innovation, Zepto introduced is 10-minute delivery promise, which became its signature. Second, operational shift, built a network of dark store, micro warehouses, optimized for rapid picking and delivery. So Zepto ने एक अपना खुद का डार्क स्टोर नेटअप सेटअप करने स्टार्ट कर दिया 2022 से. Now coming to 23-24 में diversification and scaling. Now product expansion, it moved beyond groceries. This is where it is now competing with Blinkit and Instamart. So they introduced personal care, home essential, electronics, OTC healthcare, full stack control, on the supply side. Now 2025, they are ready for IPO. So that's the way Swiggy and Zomato, I mean, they have got a war chest. Now Zepto is also ready, to come out with the IPO, and based on the peer group, Zepto will also get a valuation in the market that will help it, to raise further funds. So the focus 2025 में capital efficiency and IPO preparation. So this is the overall Zepto's business model, which is in direct competition with Blinkit and Instamart. Now can Zepto become a challenger to Zomato's Blinkit or Swiggy's Instamart? Now they currently command a market share of 29%. That makes it a strong challenger to Blinkit. Now in a highly discount driven market, customer loyalty is fluid and market share can shift rapidly. So ये कहना कि भाई Blinkit has got the highest market share और रहेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Anything can change because in a discount driven market, the changes happen very fast. Now unlike Blinkit and Instamart, Zepto focuses only on quick commerce. So Swiggy, Zomato, they are into food aggregation and other thing, whereas Zepto is totally into quick form of commerce. Now this gives it a clear, sharp edge in doing just that, delivering fast in 10 minutes. Now Zepto runs a full stack model, owning and managing its dark store across major cities in India. Now this setup gives it a full control over inventory and delivery, making it this 10-minute promise possible. And another point is Blinkit uses a hybrid model with both owned and partner run dark store, whereas Swiggy and Instamart, they follow a similar approach, combining its own store with the partnered one. Now it remains to be seen how Blinkit and Instamart will leverage their deeply integrated food delivery ecosystem for cross selling. So far detailed data on the extent of cross selling between, let's say, Blinkit and Zomato or Swiggy Instamart and Swiggy's food delivery services is not publicly available. However, both companies have expressed strategic intent to tap into their existing customer bases to drive cross selling opportunities. Now let's come to the two big challenges. One is the funding, secure financial support to compete effectively, and second is the big retailers, mitigating threats from larger competitors like DMart, Amazon and the Reliance Retail. So the two big challenges for Zepto and also for Blinkit and Instamart is the big retailer which are currently very quiet, लेकिन वो लोग भी अपना plan ready कर रहे हैं on the quick commerce side. So talking about funding, it's all about funding support to remain in the game, by offering better deals to customer. So currently Zepto is valued around 5 billion as per the market data, and it has recently attracted substantial investment from Motilal Oswal, Ramdev Agrawal and Hero FinCorp and all. Zepto's founder, if I compare with Zomato and Swiggy, they maintain a relatively higher stake. They have got a stake of over 22%, whereas Zomato's Dipendra Goyal holds less than 5%, and Swiggy's promoter also hold around 10% in the company. And the point on threat from big retailers, Amazon and Reliance Retail have started testing quick delivery formats, leveraging their extensive inventory and supply chain scale. DMart Ready is also eyeing quicker fulfillment models and already dominates value-based grocery retail. Now these giants could undercut smaller players on price and availability, posing a long-term threat to standalone platforms like Zepto, or to that extent the Swiggy and the Zomato. Now this is the chart of Zepto's financial journey. Let's take the last 2-3 years. So FY 22, revenue of 142 crores and net loss of 90 crores. Now coming to FY 23, revenue jumped, huge jump from 142 crores to 2000 crores and losses 1272 crores. FY 24, it doubled, 4454 and losses 1248. So in a way they have controlled the losses, but that revenues jumped. So in the last 2-3 years, if you see, they are growing at 100% year after year. And in terms of profitability outlook, the company has indicated progress towards profitability with improvements in EBITDA margin and a reduction in losses as a percentage of revenue. But clearly अभी तक कंपनी ने कोई ऐसा गाइडेंस नहीं दिया है profitability का कि next 1 year, 2 year, 3 year में कंपनी प्रॉफिट में आएगी. Now अगर हम एक कंपैरेटिव चार्ट देखें तीनों का, जेप्टो, ब्लिंकिट एंड स्विगी के इंस्टामार्ट का. सो जेप्टो द revenues around 4454, Blinkit is 2300, some 1 crore, Swiggy is around 2000, so Zepto is almost doubled of these two players. Losses 1244, 8 crore. In case of Blinkit and Swiggy, data, this is not specified. Highlight, if you see, significant revenue growth with improved margins. Blinkit, they have achieved positive adjusted EBITDA in Q4 of FY24, so they are on the path of profitability. And if you look at Swiggy's Instamart, rapid expansion, but their operational losses are continuing. So this is the comparative chart, and you can see the way Zepto is growing. I mean, it's not an insignificant player in the market. So as you can see, Zepto is fast emerging as a formidable player to give competition to Blinkit and Instamart. And recently, अगर हम देखें, the kind of money they have raised, and with IPO coming up, this year, Zepto will be well positioned, to give a competition to these two big players. And all eyes are on Reliance Retail, Amazon and DMart ready. And if they jump into the quick commerce bandwagon, it's going to be difficult, not only for Zepto but also for Blinkit and Instamart.
If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.